Right, you lot. Welcome to our culinary journey through Ireland. We're about to dive headfirst into the heart of Irish cooking, where simple ingredients transform into hearty, soul-warming dishes. Today, we're exploring the most famous Irish cuisine recipes that you absolutely need to try. From the rich depths of a slow-cooked Irish stew to the comforting simplicity of soda bread, we'll unlock the secrets of these timeless classics. Get your aprons on, and let's get cooking. Listen up, this is no ordinary stew. We're talking tender chunks of lamb, cooked low and slow until it melts in your mouth. Get those potatoes and carrots chopped, nice and chunky, none of that minuscule rubbish. This is proper Irish cooking. Brown the lamb in a hot pan, sear in the flavour. Onions, garlic next. We want that beautiful aroma filling your kitchen. A good glug of Guinness for depth and richness, you see. Now, stock chicken or beef, your choice. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer. Low and slow, at least 2 hours until the lamb is practically falling apart. Season generously, a good sprinkle of thyme, and you're in for a treat. Right, you want bread but you haven't got all day? Soda bread is the answer. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Flour, salt, baking soda, the holy trinity of soda bread. Now, buttermilk. This is what gives soda bread its signature tang. Mix it all together, a light touch, don't overwork it, shape it into a rough round, score the top, and straight into the oven it goes. Bake until golden brown and you've got yourself a loaf of pure Irish comfort. Slather it with butter while it's still warm. You won't regret it. Boxty, a thing of beauty. We're talking grated potatoes, fluffy mashed potatoes, and flour all coming together in perfect harmony. Grate your raw potatoes, squeeze out the excess moisture, important this, don't want soggy boxty. Mix in your mashed potatoes, flour, and a touch of salt. Now get your pan nice and hot. A knob of butter and spoon in that boxty mixture. Cook until golden brown and crispy, then flip it over and crisp up the other side. Serve it up with your favourite toppings. Smoked salmon, sour cream chives, the possibilities are endless. Colcannon. It's all about simple pleasures. Potatoes, cabbage, butter, and a touch of cream if you're feeling indulgent. Boil your potatoes until tender, drain them well, and let them steam dry. Don't rush this step, crucial for fluffy mash. While the potatoes are cooking, wilt your cabbage in a pan with a little butter. Now, the magic happens. Mash those potatoes, add in the cabbage, and a generous knob of butter. Come on, don't be shy. Mix it all up, season to perfection, and you've got a side dish that will steal the show. Coddle, the ultimate Dublin comfort food. Imagine this, juicy sausages, crispy bacon and tender potatoes all simmered together in a flavorful broth. It's pure indulgence. Brown your sausages and bacon, get some color on them. Remove them from the pan and in go your sliced onions. Soften those onions, then add your potatoes, chicken stock and a bay leaf for good measure. Nestle those sausages and bacon back in, bring it to a simmer and let it bubble away until everything is cooked through. Serve it up in warm bowls, sprinkle over some chopped parsley, and get ready for a taste sensation. Well, there you have it. 5 classic Irish recipes that are guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From the hearty depths of Irish stew to the simple pleasures of soda bread, Irish cuisine is all about using fresh, quality ingredients to create dishes that are both delicious and satisfying. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through Irish cuisine. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. We'll be back soon with more culinary adventures, so stay tuned. Slánta!